Today we'll be learning about the fastest way to get tick mark or the check mark in Microsoft Word. Make sure to watch the video till the end so that you won't make any mistakes during the process. Before that, support our channel, hit the subscribe button, like button and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, open the Microsoft Word. When you are on this home, you'll be required to click on this insert, and on the right hand side you can see the symbol option. So you need to click on the symbol and now click on more symbols. Here on the font you'll be required to type in winnings where you can get the multiple symbols. Just you have to scroll down, and when you scroll down here you can easily find out the check mark or the tick mark. So here is one and the other one is this one. So if you want to insert, you just have to select any tick mark you would like to and click on this insert button. So as you can see that I have already inserted a tick mark, but this time you don't have to follow the same step again and again. So you can easily create a shortcut to get the tick mark in your word. So let me teach you. Click on the symbol again and click on more symbol. Here you need to choose any tick mark that you want to make the shortcut or the fastest way of getting that one. So for now let's click on this one, and now you need to click on this autocorrect option. Here in this replace box you need to type in any text you want to make as a shortcut. So let's type in here one. For example, here I have already got it. You can add any one of your requirement. For now I am typing one, and now let's click on replace. So it has been already used, so I can type in here 2. So now click on add, and now click on OK, and let's close this box. And when you type in 2 and press the space bar, then I already got the check mark on my screen. So this is how you can easily get the fastest way to get check mark in Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then hit the like button and comment if you have any queries. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.